Hey everyone, welcome to a new course. In this course, we're going to be learning about what is the absolute value of a number, how we can draw graphs of modulus functions and combine that with what we've already learned about graphs and graphs transformations. Then at the end, we're going to be looking at how you can solve equations that have an absolute value or modulus symbols. You might have seen those vertical bars in the exam questions. Then we're going to be wrapping all of this up and moving on to rational functions in the next series. So keep watching. I'm going to explain everything for you so that you're going to be 100% prepared for your IB and A-level exams.